Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video. Today I will be installing some cheap frameless wipers which I have procured from Amazon. This is the Yo-Yo brand and it is absolutely an unknown brand, and I procured it for 379 rupees. As you can see, it has been cheaply packed also, not like my previous TVS frameless wipers. So I will install it and see the performance. As you can see, the old wiper has already torn, so it requires replacement. So let's try out. First I will remove the old wiper. So I have removed the old one. Very simple, just press the lock and pull it down. So this type will be the smaller size, that is the 19-inch one. Let me install it. Let me show you how to fit your frameless wipers. Very easy. Just remove this flap, and after remove this flap you just insert your wiper like this. Just fit inside this groove. Very easy. You are just required to insert it, nothing else, and after that you simply press this lock. So like this you fit your frameless wipers. Very easy. Similarly also I have fitted like this. I have already installed like this. You need to insert it like this and simply just insert it into the groove and press this lock. So you are done. So I have fitted it successfully. Also this one. And remember, the larger blade is on the driver's side and the smaller one is on your passenger side. Now I will give you a demo how this wiper works. I will give you both the demos under normal condition and under rainy, when it rains, how it works. So let's see the demonstration. Let us check manually. ঠিক আছে, so it's wiping fine. So you have seen how to install your frameless wipers in any car. The process is same. And if you have liked this video, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.